We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Chad Spearman with the CattleFax update. Fed cattle in Kansas traded on the cash market this week at $122 per hundredweight on a live weight basis. The cash price was about $3 per hundredweight higher than the June live cattle futures price at trading time. This value is referred to as futures basis, and it is particularly strong for this time of year as the market nears the expiration of the June live cattle futures contract. Basis typically approaches zero as we near the contract expiration. This trend is known as convergence, and it occurs near the expiration of each commodity futures contract. The fed cattle cash market was expected to weaken relative to the June live cattle futures price. However, cash market prices have been steady to higher in recent weeks, while live cattle futures prices have increased. Basis is still weakened as a result, but it has provided a stronger than anticipated cash fed cattle market in early June. The strengthening fed cattle market can be attributed to a number of factors. Perhaps the largest is profitability in the packing segment. Stronger middle meat demand has supported steady to higher box beef cutout prices, and the additional wholesale beef margins have allowed packers to bid aggressively for fed cattle while increasing production. The stronger basis has encouraged feed yards to be aggressive marketers, which will benefit the fed cattle market in July as supplies reach an annual high. Basis is generally the weakest and most volatile in July due to larger supplies and the effects of summer weather on fed cattle markets. While basis levels this week were mostly steady, feed yards can anticipate a converging June basis to give way to a much less predictable basis next month. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Chad Spearman.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.